Right, boysies, hope we're all good. So today I'm launching the Rebuild project. This is something that I've done once every single year and the results have been absolutely insane. We're closing in on summer and I wanted to just ping this over to you today just to make sure you are crystal clear, set, prepped and ready to rock and roll and take it to the top with your results in this coming quarter. So guys, I work with men that have built some success in their business. They've made some money. They've got the life. They got the missus. They got the car. They got the house. They might just have the material on lock, but they're stuck in a certain loop. They've got inconsistent habits, little to no routine. The gym results have just flatlined and it's left them pissed off, frustrated, and they're always comparing themselves to other guys, comparing themselves horizontally to their buddies, their mates at work, or even those on social media, asking themselves, why do I not have the results in which they have, even though I am quote unquote successful? And quite frankly, you're left overstimulated and underfulfilled. And the thing is, no one's actually calling it out right now. No one's actually holding you to the standard right now. You're not lazy. You just need real structure, pressure, and an identity level change. And that's what we're here to do today. So imagine 90 days from now, we just locked the fuck in. We got everything dialed, morning and evening routines. We done a full, complete physique rebuild, energy through the roof, disciplined execution every single day. So you're operating at your own very peak performance. You've got a clear mind, you're focused, you're present, and you're dominating and just destroying every single day over the next quarter. And you lead in life, work, and in your body. And this isn't just fitness, guys. It's about reclaiming your edge and taking things to the top across the board. So most programs, right? This is the thing. Most programs will just hand you off with more information. You don't need more information. You need implementation. This is what you actually need. You need systems, accountability, and real-time coaching to execute at your highest level, no matter how demanding or busy your schedule is. And that is why I built the Rebuild program. It's a private mentorship designed exactly for men just like you. That is why we call it the Rebuild. I build your exact blueprint and rebuild you from the ground up. Training, nutrition, habits, check-ins, mindset. We lock it in, we execute, we dominate every single day together. Simple as that, crystal clear. No fluff, no filler, just results. And I'm taking on 2 more clients this week. If you feel that this is what you need, this is what you want, you need this change in your life right now because you've been playing it small, cutting corners, showing up for others, not for yourself, DM me the word built. I'll show exactly how this would work in your world right now. And you can achieve results similar to these lads down below who achieved world-class success in just 90 days. So boys, it's time to lock in, it's time to show up, it's time to do what you said you were always going to do. Become a man that you admire. Show up for the person you've always needed in your life, which is yourself, the best version of yourself, and just take things all the way to the top. I'm very excited to be working with you. If this is for you, take action now. You need this, you want this. It's time for you to be the man. It's time for you to be the main character, and it's time for you to level the fuck up. Let's get it.